Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, but I decided it's time to get back into the swing of things. School's over now, so I finally have the summer to work on everything. And although my last video was me, or the last like project video I was doing was me going over the car and everything, we finally got a new engine in, and it's a lot better than the one we got. It was actually imported, so I'm on the way home, and I'm gonna show you guys. Ow. I'm getting stuff packed up. Actually forgot to show you guys my new friend. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. This is Zeus. He's like 6 or 7 months, and he's intrigued by the mic. That's why he's acting funny. But he's coming along with. We already have some of his stuff at my dad's house. That's where I'm probably gonna stop by first, but I'm packing everything right now, and it's gonna take a while because I'm gonna try to pack some clothes up and get situated there for a couple of days because I want to get everything ready and start getting stuff together. So bring in pressure washer. There's gonna be a lot of heavy cleaning involved, and we need it. He actually throws up on almost every car ride, and it's not that fun. It stinks and it's hard to clean up. But I found a little technique is actually giving him half of motion sickness medicine for humans. It actually works, and it's not that bad for them, especially a puppy. So it works pretty good. Alright, so we got everything packed and every being as well. And so it's going to be about an hour-ish drive to get to my house. So we'll see you when I get there. So we finally made it. It was a pretty decent drive. About halfway through is when it really started pouring extremely hard and traffic slowed down really slow. But we're here nonetheless. He was asleep the whole ride. But yeah, so not too much planned to work on today since it's kind of late. It's 6:38, and I could get a little bit done before it gets dark, but we'll see how it goes. So something that's been crossing my mind is doing a front end conversion, of course, to the hood and front bumper to mine. That's nice. But I also want to keep the pop-ups, but I'm not too sure if I want to go just to the fixed headlights. But I mean, I have the option to, and eventually I'm gonna get rid of all the parts on this car that if I can, and that's just something that I'm thinking about doing.
Day 2.
So thankfully I found them. They're in one of the many vehicles that we have. So get these gloves and let's get to work. We'll start by taking out the front seats of my car, and then we'll move on from there. both seats out. It's a little tough. The driver's seat was harder because it's electric and I had to get all those connections undone. And then there was one bolt that was really hard to get, and then I had to put a battery in the car to move the seats up and down so I could access the bolts. But there is a lot under a seat that you never knew. And yeah, so I'm trying to work on getting the carpets unstuck because it's really stuck to the ground for whatever reason, so we're going to work on that. Alright, so I'm back. Store. I was trying to get back to work, so chair's out, other chair's out, carpet is out. Now to work on getting all of this together. And I saw something that was a little alarming because I've always wondered I think it was on this side at least, it's been a while, there's water that was building up and there's actually a hole puncture right here, and I'm not sure how to like deal with that, at least at this moment, because that wasn't part of the plan. But I'm thinking I could hammer this down, find a way to seal it up. That would be the best and easiest way, at least for right now. And I'm just going to, for a little bit, not worry about it. I know that probably sounds bad, but I got to get this other stuff done because while the skies do look clear, I'm not sure how it's going to act. So yeah. Alright, so I'm back from AutoZone, and this time I decided to get some of this Rust-Oleum undercoating, and I'm going to spray that on the hole because I just don't like the idea of there being an exposed hole inside of my car. And also I bought a longer ratchet for harder to reach stuff. And yeah, so we're going to start working on getting this one out. And once we put it in, I'm gonna leave the seats out of the car for now because I'm still debating if I want to put cloth seats in. One, because they're in better condition, and two, because of heat. They're gonna be a lot better for me whenever I'm sitting on them, and also easier to clean, easier to maintain, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get to switching it over now. And see, I didn't have the audio on, my bad. But what I was saying was I got the old carpet out. It rained pretty hard when I wasn't here, and I had a lot of the stuff out, so it got soaked. But I'm going to get the old carpet, or the old carpet's already out. I'm gonna get the new carpet in my car, take all the seats out and stuff, and then I'll put it in. I probably won't film it because I was just trying to save time on the video. And yeah. Alright, so after a long tiring day with lots of rain, I finally was able to get the carpet in. It's all snug. I haven't, of course, tightened anything down. You see the lines where sorry. You see the lines where I just did an extractor, so it's not completely clean. I plan on coming back tomorrow with more energy and tackling it. And also this side is down. I have everything kind of stored in. So that's pretty much it. Oh, camera's fogging up. Sorry about that. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything done on my list today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys another day.